I'm going to give two examples of a speech for your Flipgrid. One will be good, the next one will be bad. So I'm using this as an example of how to present, and make sure you maintain your volume, your eye contact, and limit your filler words. So here is my presentation. For our 6-word memoir presentation in our process in class, I wrote about my dad for 3 minutes, and I wrote about how he is patient and kind and he's an important influence in my life. I wrote about how he has been there for me and how I wish I was more like him, especially in regards to patience. So my 6-word memoir was Wish I Had My Dad's Patience. I chose this picture because it is a girl making a wish on a dandelion, and I thought that that was a good representation of how I felt, as well as being very quaint. It allowed me to kind of combine how I felt about my dad and patience. For my 6-word memoir, I wrote, I wish I had my dad's patience.